Salmon donburi is really easy to make. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm hungry! Alright, today I'm going to use 2 cups of sushi rice. You can use 1 cup if you want to. Cooking the rice is so simple, easy peasy. You need to rinse the rice first. I'm using my hands, rubbing the grains 10 times. I recommend to repeat this process twice. And I'm going to rinse the rice 4 or 5 times until the water is clear. Once the water is clear, you can cook it right away or you can just soak it for 1 hour for better texture. I'm going to use 2.5 cups of water. For better taste, I put dried Japanese seaweed called kombu in the rice. It's optional, you can skip seaweed. I will prepare sweet vinegar for the rice. I put vinegar, sugar, and salt. Mix it up until it's dissolved. Leave it and I will use it with rice later. Now I'm going to make tamago or sweet egg roll. I will use 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we're gonna mix it up, a really good mix until it's smooth. Now we need to fry the egg with low heat. I'm going to use just regular pan. I don't have square flat pan. It should work for me. We need to fry the egg really thin. Make sure the egg doesn't get burned. And then I'm going to roll the egg. Again, put more eggs in the pan. Make it really thin. Keep rolling it. We need to keep doing this process for 3 or 4 times. It's not perfect with this pan, but it works for me. Let the egg roll cool down. Then we can cut it. Now we have rice topping. Now rice is completely cooked. I will remove seaweed. Put the rice in container. Put sweet vinegar on the rice. And we need to mix. For rice topping, we will have cucumber, avocado, tamago, seaweed, sesame, cream cheese, salmon, tuna, and crab stick. I will peel cucumber and then I'm going to cut it on the diagonal. Cutting avocado is really simple. Cut it in half, remove the pit, cut cream cheese in little pieces. And next, we can cut salmon. You can cut it thin or thick at your choices. For tuna, I'll cut into little cube pieces. For crab sticks, you can just pull it with your hands. Now I'm making mayonnaise sriracha sauce. I put half mayonnaise and sriracha. Mix it up and I will put tuna in there. Now we have all the toppings we need and it's time to put everything together. I put rice in the bowl, put crab stick on top, 4 or 5 pieces of salmon, spicy tuna, a little bit of cucumber, tamago egg rolls, a little bit of tuna, cream cheese, avocado, seaweed, and finish with sesame on top. Now we have yummy salmon donburi. Before you eat, don't forget to put soy sauce and wasabi. You can also put some pickled ginger on top if you want to. That would be great too. Now I'm going to try my home cooked salmon donburi. So good. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you later.